Ethan is doing a volcano experiment.
Exploding. This is the lava now.
Look at that. Look how it's coming out so much.
Yes.
Look.
It's coming out.
Look how much is coming out.
It's the lava.
Whoa.
This is the lava. It's getting so much.
Look at Ethan's volcano.
Yes.
Look at it. It's exploding.
It's going that way.
Ah! It's going everywhere.
Oh no, it's going here.
Oh no! Exploded. Look at Ethan's volcano.
Now you have to clean it. Clean it.
Look, it's still coming out. You see?
Yes.
It's still coming out. It's coming out so much. Look at that. Ethan's volcano experiment.
Put it down.
Look, it's still coming out. Look at all of that. Bubbles.
Bubble is coming out. Look at this lava.
It's vinegar and baking soda and some soap. And then it starts to foam and explode it.
I need to. Sorting. There's no volcano.
Look at that. It's still coming out. You
Yes.
see it? Ah!
Oh no,
You see it?
that's so
Explode.